Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 with a local account instead of a Microsoft account. I just tried it to see if it works before I can make this video. As you can see right here, I have a local account. I just clean install Windows 11. So this is what you have to do. You have to download the latest version of Rufus, version 4.14 for today as making this video. So when you click on select and choose the ISO file, what you have to do is to click on start. It's going to give you these options right here. Now you have to choose create a local account with username. So put your local account right here. I choose Elvis Chibundo. You can see it right here. This is my local account. When you are done, just click on OK and it will create a bootable Windows 11 ISO file with this username. So this is how I was able to install Windows 11 with a local account. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.